Ladies and gentlemen, he's super bad. Welcome, Funny Rummy. What's up?
Thank you. How y'all doing?
Can you believe they found cocaine in the White House?
That's crazy. It's crazy.
Y'all know who cocaine that is?
I mean, look at the picture.
Look at this. He's on that dope.
I guess that's why they call it the White House.
You know they found President Obama's crack pipe.
President Biden said he got the drugs from his drug dealer. Of course there's drugs at the White House. They're not afraid of the COVID lab leaks. They're afraid of the meth lab leaks. That's right.
You ugly.
Wait, hold on. We got a heckler. Who you calling ugly? I'm a puppet. I'm supposed to be ugly. What's your excuse?
What's your excuse? Get out of here.
I woke up like this. You woke up like this?
Well, you need to go back to sleep. What happened? Did you wake up on the wrong side of bed, fall on the floor, and hit your face?
She needs some milk.
Who's sitting next to you? Your boyfriend? He ugly too.
Where y'all meet at the zoo?
We met on a dating app. A dating app? Which one?
Plenty of ugly fish. You guys ready for a good show? Say yeah! I can't hear you.
Hello guys, my name is Funny Rummy. And you won't believe how hard my life is. I was driving down the highway and was pulled over by the cops. Now, I wasn't pulled over because I'm a puppet. I wasn't pulled over because I have no arms or legs to drive. I was pulled over because I'm black, y'all.
I mean, like really?
Like, really? You mean to tell me you are so racist that a puppet with no limbs driving a nice car, no problem.
But a black puppet driving a nice car, oh, he stole it. I mean, I stole the car, but still, that's besides the point.
Then the cop had a nerve to say that my pupils looked dilated and I was high. Do I look like I'm on drugs? You see, I'm not on drugs. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I know the cop is racist? It's because he said, I don't like you people. I said, what do you mean by you people? He said, I don't like black sock puppet people. I said, you have on black socks. I mean, really? Come on. I'm so confused. But then I took a closer look at his black socks and realized that's my cousin Jerome and Pookie. I said, what's up, fam? I said, what y'all doing out here? They said, we're working. I said, you working with the popo? I told you I'd give you a job at the warehouse. Ain't that right? I said, how's Aunt Stockings doing? They said, oh, Aunt Stockings doing okay, but she's getting a little old. She has a lot of holes. I said, well, she was a hoe back in the day. I guess I finally caught up to her. I said, hey guys, you have to help me out. This racist cop you're working with is trying to arrest me because I was driving while black. They said, sorry, cuz he ain't racist and we can't help you. I said, "You backstabbing racist Uncle Tommy Hilfiger socks." So finally, the cop took me to central booking. And he put me in a cell with the baddest, meanest, craziest person in the world. Kermit the Frog! He's crazy. He was crazy. One day, we was in the showers and he dropped the soap. He looked at me and said, "Can you pick that up for me, please?" Don't be nervous.
I got your back.
Now I thought nothing of it because Kermit was small and skinny. And I figured it shouldn't hurt that bad. When they let me out, I was hopping like a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I'm joking. All right, moving on. You know, people can identify with any sexual group they want. I mean, leave them alone. Now, don't get me wrong. I know sometimes it could get a little confusing. You know, yesterday I called my mom. I said, "Hey, Mom."
I'm not your mom, I'm your dad.
I said, "Well, can I speak to Grandpa?"
You mean grandma?
I said, "You know what? Don't worry about it. Let me speak to Uncle Bob."
You mean the cat? He's on the roof. Hold on.
Then I said, "Well, can you put my dog Fluffy on the phone?"
She said, no problem.
I said, "Hey, Fluffy." If you haven't figured this out yet, this show ain't for kids. Okay, let's move on. My doctor said I have 2 months to live. I said, "Thank God." Oh, that's right. I got kids, that's right. You don't think they mind if I die early, do you? I'm just saying. I wake up every morning with this look on my face. I mean, I just paid the rent. I gotta pay it again? Jesus! One time, I went down on Miss Piggy. She said, "I thought you was a Muslim." I said, "Yeah, but I still eat pork." Oink, oink. She said, "Well, do you eat butt?" I said, "No, I don't eat chitlins. I'm sorry, I don't eat chitlins." She said, "Please, please.
Eat my chitlins?
You know, it wasn't really that bad." My name is Funny Rummy, and you guys are a great audience.